everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the ENBD app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Now on the profile and settings, tap on security. Now look for the option called biometric login, Face ID or Touch ID. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your iPhone's passcode. This steps helps protect your account. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully enabled. From now on, whenever you open the ENBD app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password every time. And that's it, you have successfully enabled biometric login on the ENBD app using our phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.